Okay, so we want to calculate the derivative of the function capital F of x equals the definite integral from 2 to h of x of the square root of 1 plus y to the 10th in dy. So the function capital F of x is defined through a definite integral. So how can we handle a problem like this? Well, here we notice that the function capital F is actually a composite function. Now let us define the function g of, let's say g of let's introduce a new variable, g of v, to be equal to the integral from 2 to v of the square root of 1 plus y to the 10th power in dy. And let us define now the function capital F of x using the function g. So we notice that how is the function f of x defined? So we look at g of v, and that's the integral from 2 to v. And now the function f of x is the integral from 2 to h of x. So the function f of x is therefore equal to the composite function capital G composed with h of x. So now that we know this important fact, we know whenever we have a composite function, to find its derivative, we use the chain rule. So use the chain rule. But okay, let's use the chain rule to find the derivative of this function, so f prime. So f prime of x by the chain rule is equal to the derivative of the outer function evaluated at the inner function multiplied by the derivative of the inner function. So in particular, what does this say? Well, what does it say? If h is any function, we just have to leave it away. But now, can we simplify this formula here? Do we know what g prime is? Yes, we know it. And why? Why do we know that? Well, notice g of v is a definite integral from 2 to v of this, right, of a certain function. Well, by the fundamental theorem of calculus, which is the most amazing theorem calculus and most powerful one that allows you to say amazing things, then we can say that the derivative g prime of v is equal to the integrand function, so the square root of 1 plus v, let's not forget to put v to the 10th power. Therefore, we are basically done. The derivative f prime of x is equal to g prime evaluated at h of x, so it's going to be the square root of 1 plus h of x to the 10th power, and we're going to multiply this square root by the derivative of h. And we are done. And then, of course, depending on what h is equal to, we are going to get different results. So this is an exercise that I leave to you. Good luck.